Wait, shh. Did you hear that sound? Pah, pah, pah. It sounds like something is popping nearby. That is the sound of letter P. Early in the morning, in a bright and peaceful garden, something small and round sat on a leaf. It was a shiny pea. Not far away, a happy puppy was playing in the grass. The puppy wagged its tail and gave a soft woof. It loved to run, jump, and explore. The puppy saw a tall tree and began to walk along the winding path. The path curved through the flowers and soft green grass. Suddenly, something colorful appeared in the sky. It was a bright pink parachute floating gently down. Whoosh! Slowly, softly. Uh-oh, wait a moment. I think something starting with P is hiding nearby. Can you guess what it is? An umbrella? But wait, it doesn't start with letter P. This one is called a poncho. A poncho kept a little child warm and dry from the rain. Nearby, a little girl packed a sweet picnic. She placed fruits, bread, and juice on a soft blanket. The puppy sat beside her, waiting patiently. As they ate, a gentle pigeon flew down from a tree. Flap, flap, flap. The pigeon walked slowly and looked for crumbs. After the picnic, the girl took out a sheet of paper and began to paint. She painted flowers, trees, and her playful puppy. Just then, Lily noticed something peculiar near the pond. It was a tiny sparkling pearl resting on a lily pad. Lily carefully picked up the pearl and admired its glow. It felt warm and smooth in her little hand. "It's like a tiny moon," she whispered. Suddenly, a friendly penguin waddled out from behind a giant sunflower. It wore a tiny blue bow tie and carried a miniature suitcase. "Hello," chirped the penguin. "I'm Percy, and I'm here to give you a present." He opened his suitcase, revealing a box wrapped in colorful paper. Lily carefully unwrapped the present. Inside, she found a photo album filled with pictures of all her favorite things in the letter P garden. "Oh, Percy, it's beautiful!" Lily exclaimed. The album sparkled with magic, and each photo seemed to come alive with sound and color. As they looked through the album, Lily and Percy heard a soft click sound. A gentle rain began to fall, and the magic plants of the garden glistened with raindrops. Lily noticed that each raindrop was filled with a tiny seed. As they touched the ground, they sprouted into even more magical plants. The garden was becoming even more vibrant and alive. Lily and Percy giggled with delight as they watched the process. Suddenly, a wise old parrot landed on Percy's head. "You have a kind heart, Lily," he said, "and now a special power is yours." Lily felt a warm glow spread through her. She realized she could now make the letter P plants grow just by thinking about them. With a thought, Lily made a giant pineapple tree sprout up, filled with juicy, sweet pineapples for everyone to enjoy. As the sun set, Lily, Percy, and the parrot gathered around the pineapple tree, sharing stories and laughter. The letter P garden was now more magical than ever. But our adventure doesn't stop here. Next time, we'll explore the letter Q and meet something quiet and quite interesting. Can you guess what it is? Watch out for our next video and let's continue our alphabet adventure together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.